All right, we're gonna go over dividing two numbers. When the second number, the number we're dividing by, is pretty large and it's not a basic fact. What are some tips we can use. So, again, to help myself out, I remember dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. DMSBR. So, 39,732 divided by 43. I'm gonna put the first number, always goes inside. Right, I don't know my 43 facts, so I'm gonna have to estimate. 43 can't go into 3. It can't go into 39. It can go into 397. I don't know how many times. So one way I can do it, 43 is close to 40. So I'm gonna use 40. And I think about basic facts. I know 40 times 9 is 360. So let's try that. I'll teach you a different way if that's not good for you. So now I'm going to multiply 9 times 43 and see if I am correct. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. 9 times 4, 36, plus 2, 38. So we're good so far. It can't be higher than 397, so that's good. Now I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0, and I have 10. That's good because my number can't also be higher than 43. Those are ways you can see that you did incorrectly. Now I'm going to bring down the 3. 43 into 103. Okay, like I said, 43 is close to 40. So if I don't know my basic facts, I can also count by 40s. 40, 80, 120, that's too high. So 40, 80, twice. So let's try 2. In your head or off to the side, 43 times 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. 86. Now I subtract. Can't do 3 minus 6. Can't borrow from the 0. So I borrow from the 1. This becomes a 9, so I need to borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. I have 17. Now I'm going to drop the 2. 43 into 172. Let's count by 40s. 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. 200 is too high, so I have 4. 4 times 43. Off to the side. Again, I put the longer number first. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1, 17. That's 172, so we're done. So 924 is my answer. Let's try one more. This one will be a little bit trickier. 78,822 divided by 87. So let's put 78,822 inside, 87 on the outside. 87 can't go into 7. 87 can't go into 8. 87 can go into 788. I don't know how many times. So I'm going to round to 90. This time I'm going to use my basic facts. So 90 into 788. Well, I know 9 times 8 is 72, so that's pretty close. So let's try it. 87 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Carry. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 5, 69. I have 696. So what happens when I subtract this? 8 minus 6 is 2. I can't do 8 minus 9, gotta borrow. 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 minus 6, uh-oh, watch. I have 92. That's too high. So I know I made an error. It doesn't go in 8 times, it goes in 9 times. So let's rewrite it. If you had a pencil like the good old Miss Alper said, you wouldn't have to. Don't tell her. So let's write 9. Now, off to the side, we gotta do 87 times 9. It is long, I know. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72, plus 6, 78. 783, that looks closer. Now I can subtract. 5, 0, 0, drop the 2. Can 87 go in 52? It cannot go in one whole time, so it goes in 0 times. Then I multiply. 87 times 0 is 0. Then I subtract. Then I bring down. 87 into 522. Again, 87 is close to 90. So let's count by 90s. 90, 180, 270, 360, 540. Oh, excuse me, I messed up. 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, and 6 would be 540. That's too high. So I know, let's try 5. This may not work again. This could be trial and error. 87 times 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3, 43. 435, let's subtract and see. Can't do 2 minus 5, can't do 2 minus 3. Gotta borrow. This becomes a 12, I need to borrow, so 11. 12 minus 5 is 7, 11 minus 3 is 8. Oops, it needs to go in one more time. This is exactly 87, but I know it's gonna go in evenly because there's 87 left over. So it's not 5 times, it goes in 6 times. So my final answer is 906.